Hmm? Yeah, I got it back the 2nd, August 2nd. Yeah. I was gonna come, I just ended up getting hemmed up with something. But yeah. So I'm gonna do 104.06 today. Y'all ain't add no late fees on my stuff, did y'all?
It is, but yes.
Thank you so much, washing machine man.
This is everything is still the same. You just basically start your without starting. Welcome, section. Go ahead, Jordan.
Hi, can I have 4 of your number 10s?
You said 4?
Yes.
Anything else, man?
Yeah, let me have 1 birthday cake milkshake.
Anything else?
That's it.
2663.
Thank you. So welcome to the vlog, y'all. As y'all can see, I just ordered us some lunch. I got my kids from school and we are about to eat. Everybody was asleep. I think I just heard my little baby talking, so everybody else is asleep besides him. And I don't know, I think I'm gonna just pull over and eat. I was gonna go inside and eat in there, but I don't really feel like waking them up. So yeah, I kind of got a little headache anyway, so I'm gonna just sit out here and eat in like a cool little shaded area. So I hope everybody's doing well. Yeah, I see his little fingers moving. I hope everybody's doing well today. Having an amazing day, a prosperous day, you know, just things going well in your space. So yeah, it's 1 car in front of me, and I can't wait to eat. I'm really ready for lunch. I don't even remember, oh, I had a sandwich for breakfast. And they eat breakfast and lunch at school. Well, they did today. But I still always get them something after school too, because they eat lunch kind of early at school. So I always get them something after, and then we get dinner later on. Maybe this car got a lot of stuff. Uh-oh, Augie Bear. Pardon him. Maybe this car got a lot of stuff.
I did that.
Yeah, you did that? Let me see. I got a bag with some Tylenol. I may have left it. So I went to go see the lovely washing machine man today. I may or may not insert a clip. But we worked out a really good deal today, so I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. I don't even know where this headache came from. All of a sudden, it's just like less than 10 minutes ago I was fine, and now I'm feeling like this little headache coming on. All right, so we finally get to come to the window. Yeah, mommy went up and said, you never get too far. They come in one size?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure, because when I was looking at the menu, I didn't see like any options or whatever. They just said they were $4.99 each, so I just wanted to make sure. We haven't ate here in a long time, like probably since like last year. When I first came to this area, I think that was the last time we ate here. So I just got the shake with a cute little cherry on top. They give you a straw and a spoon. I'm probably going to use my straw. I only got one shake from here before. I don't remember. Which one I had got. But this shake is very thick. I couldn't even hardly get it through the straw. Which explains why they gave me this spoon. It's good. But I like a more intense birthday cake flavor. Like if y'all ever get the little bites, they got like these little, you know, little 2-packs of muffins. Well, it's a pack with 2 of them in there. And they got the birthday cake flavor. Those are good. And then Chips Ahoy, they have birthday cake cookies. Those are bomb. Like the flavor on those are intense. I've been noticing though, the last couple of times I bought them, they haven't been as good as when I first started eating them. So I don't know if that's just because they getting like old to me now, or if they doing something different with the flavor. But it's there's some really good cookies. So I like the intensity of their birthday cake. Alright, so we got our food. My baby is happy because he is eating and laughing. I just got ketchup on my freaking pan. So if you've never been to Steak and Shake before, this is what they look like. The containers, the fries are like the really stringy, skinny fries, but they're good fries. And then I got the garlic burger that is topped in garlic seasoning and loaded with garlic sauce. As you can see, it's like coming out on the paper. It is a really good burger. I wish they'd make it in a double burger version instead of a single version. But this is what I get every single time I come here. It is so bomb. If you like garlic, you will love this burger. Okay, so we're at the gas station and getting some gas because my tank is super low. I think I get off in an hour. Then I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner. Well, I'm tired. So we gotta get dinner, head back in. I got so much paperwork to finish, y'all. Who all did their paperwork that they gotta turn in? Because I think tomorrow everybody's gotta be turned in. And every time he goes outside, August locked the door on him. But yeah, I got all this paperwork to fill out. I'm glad I don't got like 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 kids, because my goodness, I would be blown filling out all them packets and pages, and whew, that stuff is irritating. Okay? So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, just finishing up this last hour of my shift. I really wish I could have got Ace into his Spanish school, because he loves other languages. Most of his cartoons he'll watch in like Spanish or French, and he just gravitates to other languages. So I wanted him to go so badly. But he can't go for pre-K, only kindergarten. So I got to look into the lottery and see when is the lottery and try to get him entered in so he'll get a space, because those schools are like you can only get in if you enter the lottery for those. So Yeah, just thinking. But overall, the day has been pretty good. I really enjoy the time I have to myself once I get everybody off to school. It's not a long time because I got to get them by the two little ones by 2:30, and usually by 2 o'clock. Between 2 and 2:30, I'm already there. Like 2:10, 2:15, I'm already there anyway. So it's only about 6 hours that I get, but it helps. It helps. And I had this awful headache earlier. It just came from out of nowhere, like right before I got the food.
Mom,
Yes, sir.
I was just running at school.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit down.
I just really want you so much. Yeah.
So, what was I even just saying? My goodness. What am I trying to thought of? Oh, yes, I had this headache. And, it just came from out of nowhere. And guess what made the headache go away? If you could guess. If you can guess, you're a genius. Man, I was getting ready to go. Well, I went to the Dollar Tree to go get something to drink. And I was almost about to get some Tylenol too, but I didn't. Like, I don't really do a lot of medicines. I kind of just stay away from it. I'm like, okay, maybe if I give myself like an hour. If I give myself like an hour, it'll go away, right? No. So, my oldest turned on some classical, like some Mozart and opera type music. And you would think with all that, you know, it would be making it hurt more, but it was the most soothing thing. Like, it did something to my brain. Like, literally, it made my headache go away in like 20 minutes. And I was like, I wonder if this is why they say you should let your newborn, or even while you're pregnant, listen to a lot of like Mozart type of music, because it stimulates the brain. For me, it calmed me down. Like, it calmed my headache down tremendously. So I'm gonna do it again and see, you know, another time if I get a headache again, because I ain't had a headache in a long time. Get a headache and put on some opera music and see how it goes.